I call the heart the crystal vase. The crystal vase, shining, beauty Allah created. Allahu nur samawati wal ard. What happens as we live? It becomes foggy, a little bit dirty, more dirty, more dirty, and sometimes becomes black. What is this dirt? Anger, jealousy, lying, loving this life, attachment, competition. I want to be the best. I'm going to crush them, the business, all these.
Backbiting.
And sins, exactly. All the sins. Sins comes in.
Yeah.
What does purification does? It's a process. Basically, simple. That crystal that became with time dirty, if you want to use this word, foggy, you're cleaning it.
Polishing.
Polishing it.